you want to speak English with confidence, listen to this very carefully. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need big vocabulary. And you don't need to sound like a native speaker. You need one powerful habit. Mirror English practice. Mirror English practice means this: you listen and you speak at the same time. Like a mirror reflects a face, your voice reflects the sound. When you hear English, your mouth copies the movement. Your ears catch the rhythm, and your brain absorbs the structure. This is how real language learning happens. Children do not memorize grammar books. They repeat what they hear, again and again. When you practice this way, your mouth becomes stronger. Your pronunciation becomes clearer, and your sentences begin to flow. At first, it may feel uncomfortable. Your voice may shake. You may miss words. That is normal. That is progress. Mistakes are not signs of failure. They are signs of growth. Do not pause every second. Do not translate every sentence. Just listen and mirror. Even if your understanding is not complete, your brain is building connections quietly in the background. 10 minutes a day is enough, but it must be every day. Not one long session once a week. Small practice daily. With mirror practice, confidence grows naturally. You stop overthinking and you start responding. Your mouth moves before doubt appears. So today, make a simple promise. I will practice. I will repeat. I will believe in my voice. English confidence is not magic. It is training. And mirror English practice is that training. Now take a slow breath. Get ready to speak. Let me guide you through mirror English practice for real confidence. This method is clear, direct, and powerful. It may look small, but small actions done daily create big results. If you follow this structure with patience, your speaking will begin to change in a natural way. Not suddenly, not magically, but steadily and strongly. Stay focused and trust each step. First, choose the right audio. This decision shapes everything. Many learners choose content that is too fast. They choose vocabulary that is too advanced. They choose conversations meant for fluent speakers. Then they feel lost. They feel pressure. They feel discouraged. The problem is not ability. The problem is selection. Confidence grows from clarity. Choose audio that feels understandable in parts. You should catch some phrases. You should recognize some words. Complete understanding is not necessary. Zero understanding is not helpful. Partial understanding is perfect. Look for clear voices. Look for steady pacing. Look for everyday conversations. Short clips work best. A few minutes is enough. Long recordings can exhaust your focus. Short practice keeps your energy strong. When your brain is relaxed, it learns faster. When your brain is overloaded, it resists. Simple material is intelligent training. Professional athletes train with fundamentals every day. Musicians repeat basic scales daily. Language learners must do the same. Strong foundations build strong speech. Do not search for impressive content. Search for useful content. Calm speakers help your rhythm. Natural conversations help your expression. Repetition-friendly audio helps your fluency. Keep it simple. Keep it clear. Keep it short. This creates progress you can feel. When you choose wisely, you remove frustration before it begins. You give yourself space to grow. And when growth feels possible, confidence begins quietly inside you. This first decision is powerful. It sets the tone for everything that follows. Choose audio that supports you, not challenges you beyond reach. Growth happens step by step. Confidence is built layer by layer. And it begins with choosing the right sound to mirror. After choosing your audio, the next focus is listening. Many learners rush this stage. They want to speak immediately. They want to prove something. But confidence is built on preparation. Listening prepares your mind before your voice moves. Press play and only listen. Do not repeat yet. Do not read subtitles. Do not interrupt the flow. Let the sound enter your ears naturally. Pay attention to rhythm. Notice how sentences rise and fall. Observe where the speaker pauses. Feel the emotional tone behind the words. Language is music. It has stress, it has melody, it has movement. When you listen carefully, your brain absorbs these patterns automatically. You are training your internal ear. Avoid translating in your head. Translation slows reaction. Translation creates hesitation. Focus instead on sound and flow. Understanding every word is not required. Feeling the structure is enough. While listening, stay relaxed. Sit comfortably. Keep your body still. Remove distractions. Give full attention to the audio. Even a few minutes of deep listening can reshape how you speak. Your brain is stronger than you think. It recognizes patterns even without conscious effort. When you hear the same rhythm repeatedly, it becomes familiar. Familiar sounds become comfortable. Comfortable sounds become confident speech. Listening builds mental rehearsal. Athletes imagine movements before performing. Speakers visualize delivery before presenting. In the same way, listening prepares your mouth before speaking begins. Allow the full audio to play without stopping. Let it move naturally from start to finish. Feel how ideas connect. Feel how sentences transition smoothly. This prepares your voice to follow that same path. Patience here is powerful. Rushing destroys rhythm. Calm listening strengthens rhythm. And rhythm creates fluency. Confidence is not loudness. Confidence is control. Listening builds that control silently. When you listen deeply, you create a blueprint inside your mind. That blueprint guides your speech later. Stay present. Stay calm. Let the sound shape you first. Speaking becomes easier when listening is strong. This stage builds the foundation your voice will stand on. After listening with focus, begin mirroring the audio. Play the same recording again and speak together with the speaker. Match the timing. Match the rhythm. Match the tone. Do not rush ahead. Do not fall behind. Stay aligned with the sound. Speak continuously. Do not stop after every sentence. Real English flows smoothly. It connects ideas without breaking them apart. Let your voice move like a stream, not like separate drops. If you miss a word, keep going. If your pronunciation feels imperfect, continue anyway. Progress comes from movement, not perfection. Stopping repeatedly weakens rhythm. Continuing builds strength. Your goal is synchronization. When your voice overlaps with the speaker, your brain creates direct connections between sound and muscle movement. This reduces hesitation. This reduces fear. Keep your volume clear. Avoid whispering. Avoid speaking inside your throat. Open your mouth fully. Move your lips. Feel the physical motion of each word. Speaking is physical training. Muscles learn through repetition. At first, your timing may feel difficult. You may struggle to keep pace. That is normal. Stay patient. With each repetition, your reaction speed improves. Your mouth becomes quicker. Your tongue becomes more flexible. Confidence grows when reaction becomes automatic. When you stop thinking about grammar and focus on sound, fluency increases naturally. The more you mirror, the less you analyze. The less you analyze, the more you flow. Complete the full audio without interruption. Even if parts feel challenging, finish strong. Finishing builds mental discipline. Discipline builds confidence. Repeat the same recording several times in one session. Each round feels easier. Words become lighter. Sentences feel smoother. The speed feels slower, even though it remains the same. That is improvement happening in real time. Depth creates mastery. Repeating one audio deeply is more powerful than touching many audios briefly. Familiarity strengthens clarity. Clarity strengthens belief. When your voice begins to move without hesitation, you feel something shift. You are no longer chasing the language. You are moving with it. Consistency transforms practice into identity. Daily repetition shapes your speaking habits. Small sessions done regularly build more strength than long sessions done rarely. Confidence grows through steady exposure. Choose a regular time for practice. Morning or evening does not matter. What matters is repetition. When practice becomes routine, resistance decreases. Your brain accepts it as normal. Create a focused environment. Use headphones if possible. Reduce background noise. Sit in the same place each time. Familiar surroundings signal your brain that it is time to train. Some days will feel smooth. Words will come easily. Other days will feel heavy. Your tongue may feel slow. Your focus may feel weak. This is natural. Growth is never perfectly straight. Do not skip difficult days. Difficult days strengthen resilience. Easy days strengthen belief. Both are necessary. Both build confidence. Avoid judging your performance daily. Improvement is often invisible in short periods. Over weeks, changes become clear. You begin understanding faster. You begin responding quicker. You begin speaking without planning every sentence. This is where real confidence appears. Not loud confidence, not forced confidence, quiet confidence, the kind that feels stable. Mirror practice removes fear gradually. Fear fades when familiarity increases. The more you hear and repeat patterns, the less they intimidate you. Trust repetition. Trust routine. Trust your effort. You already have the ability to speak. The words are not foreign to your brain anymore. They are becoming familiar sounds, and familiar sounds create natural responses. When speaking begins to feel automatic, you realize something important. You are not translating. You are not hesitating. You are expressing. This shift does not happen in one day. It develops through daily commitment. Every session adds another layer of skill. Every repetition adds another layer of confidence. Stay steady. Stay consistent. Keep mirroring. Confidence in English is not a talent. It is a trained habit. And trained habits become part of who you are. That moment is powerful. That moment changes everything. That is the strength of mirror English practice. Let me share some extra tips to make it even more effective. Practice every day, even if it is just 5 minutes. Do not skip sessions. Consistency matters more than duration. Pick a time every day, morning or night. Make it part of your routine. Sit in the same place. Use headphones if possible. Minimize distractions. Focus fully on the sound. If the audio feels boring, change it, but keep the practice method. If you feel tired, pause and return later. Speaking English should not feel like pressure. It should feel like training. Some days will feel smooth, some days harder. That is completely normal. Do not quit on tough days. Hard days build skill. Easy days build confidence. You need both. Remember, you are not weak at English. You just need the right approach. Mirror English practice is that approach. No teacher, no classroom, no anxiety. Just you, your voice, and English. Keep going. Your confident English voice is already inside you. You are simply bringing it out. Every repetition, every session, you get closer to speaking naturally, clearly, and without fear. Trust yourself. Trust the process. Keep practicing. Your voice, your words, your English, they are yours to claim.